What's the meaning of contract bridge? Contract bridge. Contract bridge.
Contract bridge. Contract bridge. Contract bridge is a popular card game played with 4 players in 2 partnerships. The objective of the game is to score points by winning tricks, which are won by playing the highest card in a particular suit or by using trump cards. Each deal begins with an auction, during which players bid for the right to choose the final contract, which determines the number of tricks that must be won. The partnership that wins the most points at the end of the game, typically after multiple deals, is declared the winner.